Welcome back to Motor Masters, the home of power, precision, and machines that push the limits of human engineering. If it roars, flies, or dominates with performance, we're all over it. Today, we're going airborne, and not just with any aircraft. We're diving deep into one of the most advanced stealth bombers ever built, the B-21 Raider. This isn't just a machine, it's the future of aerial dominance. The B-21 Raider is the United States Air Force's next-generation stealth bomber. Designed by Northrop Grumman, the B-21 is intended to replace the aging B-1 Lancer and B-2 Spirit, taking the best elements of both and fusing them with cutting-edge technology and capabilities that we've only seen in science fiction, until now. Let's start with its name, Raider. It's a tribute to the Doolittle Raiders, the brave crewmen who carried out the daring bombing raid on Tokyo during World War II. That mission was not just about firepower, it was about reach, surprise, and changing the course of conflict. The B-21 embodies those same values in the 21st century. This bomber is built with one mission: penetrate the world's most sophisticated air defenses and strike with precision anywhere on the globe. With adversaries developing advanced radar systems, anti-aircraft weapons, and hypersonic threats, the US needed a response, and the B-21 is that response. From the outside, the B-21 Raider resembles the B-2 Spirit with its sleek, flying wing design. But don't be fooled, under the skin, it's an entirely different beast. It uses the latest in radar-absorbent materials, infrared signature suppression, and electronic warfare capabilities to remain invisible in the most contested skies. Its stealth profile is so advanced that it can fly into heavily defended airspace undetected, execute its mission, and return before the enemy even knows it was there. One of the most revolutionary aspects of the B-21 is its adaptability. It's not just a bomber, it's a modular platform designed to evolve. The software-driven systems onboard are built to receive updates like your smartphone. That means this aircraft won't become obsolete, it can upgrade constantly to counter new threats, integrate new weapons, and deploy emerging tech like AI-driven decision systems. Now let's talk about range. The B-21 is a true global strike platform. It's designed to fly intercontinental missions without refueling. And with aerial refueling support, its reach becomes essentially unlimited. This gives the United States a capability few nations can match: the ability to project power anywhere in the world, anytime, without relying on forward bases. In terms of payload, details are highly classified, but here's what we know. The B-21 can carry both conventional and nuclear weapons. It's expected to be compatible with the B-61 nuclear bomb, long-range cruise missiles, and potentially even hypersonic weapons in the future. It has both internal and external weapon bays, and its payload capacity rivals, and likely surpasses, the B-2. The B-21 won't just deliver force, it will deliver precision, at scale, from the shadows. One key advantage of the B-21 is its cost efficiency compared to its predecessor. The B-2 was a technological marvel, but each unit cost over $2 billion, limiting the fleet to just 21 aircraft. The B-21, in contrast, is designed to be far more affordable, with an estimated per-unit cost of around $700 million. That's still massive, but the U.S. Air Force plans to acquire at least 100 Raiders, with potential to grow that fleet to over 150 depending on strategic needs. This larger fleet size changes the game. With more stealth bombers in the air, the U.S. gains persistent, distributed strike capability. Instead of relying on a few elite aircraft, the B-21 allows for broad-scale deployment, making it harder for enemies to anticipate or counter a strike. Another revolutionary aspect is the B-21's dual crew and autonomous capabilities. While it can operate with a traditional two-person crew, the Raider is also being designed for uncrewed missions. That means in high-risk situations, the aircraft could operate autonomously, guided by onboard AI and remote commands. This gives the military flexibility while reducing risk to human life. Let's talk manufacturing. Northrop Grumman has taken a digital-first approach to building the B-21. Using advanced digital engineering, virtual simulations, and AI-driven diagnostics, they've created a production system that ensures efficiency, precision, and rapid scalability. The aircraft was designed entirely in a digital environment, allowing engineers to test imperfect systems long before physical prototypes were built. This digital design process also streamlines maintenance. Unlike the B-2, which required significant time and resources to maintain its stealth coatings. The B-21 uses new materials and easier to maintain surfaces. This means the Raider will spend more time in the sky and less time in hangars, a huge boost for operational readiness. The B-21 Raider was officially unveiled in December 2022, but its development has been shrouded in secrecy for years. It is currently undergoing flight testing at Edwards Air Force Base in California, with initial operational capability expected in the late 2020s. And let's not overlook the strategic message the B-21 sends. In a world where peer adversaries like China and Russia are developing next-gen anti-air systems, hypersonic weapons, and expanding their military reach, the B-21 stands as a symbol of American technological dominance. It's a deterrent, not just because of what it can do, but because of what it represents: unmatched reach, agility, and stealth. So what does this mean for the future of aerial warfare? The B-21 isn't just another aircraft. It's the foundation of a new doctrine, one where survivability, digital integration, multi-mission capability, and global reach define success. The Raider is not just the tip of the spear, it's the entire spear in one deadly, invisible package. From an engineering perspective, the B-21 Raider is an absolute marvel. It combines aerospace innovation, cutting-edge stealth, and intelligent systems into one highly adaptable platform. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast, a military tech buff, or someone who simply appreciates peak engineering, the Raider deserves your attention. That's it for this deep dive into the B-21 Raider, the bomber that's set to define the next era of U.S. airpower. Whether you're fascinated by its stealth capabilities, future-proof design, or sheer strategic impact, one thing is clear: this aircraft is rewriting the rules of aerial dominance. Thanks for watching Motor Masters, where machines speak louder than words. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more high-powered features on today's most advanced vehicles, land, air, or sea, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join our community of fellow gearheads and tech fans. Until next time, keep your engines running and your eyes on the sky.